Good afternoon, Com 238 students. My name is Umar Shaukat, and today I will be talking about theodolites. Which one reigns supreme? There's a lot of theodolites out in the industry, and I picked three, and we will be comparing which one's the best one. So we'll get started. I'm gonna be cutting this presentation into about 6 slides. Slide 3, the next slide, will have a general information. What is a theodolite? Not most people do not know what a theodolite is, so we will get to that. And then slide 4 will have one of the 3 theodolites that I picked, which is called the LISA Digital Electronic Theodolite. Slide 5 will have the Northwest Instrument 2-inch reflectorless total station theodolite. Slide 6 will have the South ET02 electric theodolite. And slide 7 will have a comparison graph of the 3 theodolites, which one is better than which one and what categories. Slide 8 will have the verdict, which one is the best one. And slide 9 is references. So we will get started on the first one, which is general information about theodolites. Theodolites are very unique and useful instruments and serve as a surveying instrument and are widely used in surveying for the measurement of horizontal and vertical angles. Theodolites also determine the relative location and are extremely useful in navigation in geomatics engineering. What is a theodolite? Theodolites are electronic devices that are widely used for surveying instrument with a rotating telescope for measuring horizontal and vertical angles, for mapping applications in the construction industry and many more industries. Accurate measurements of angle is essential for huge construction projects. These are important surveying instruments used in the engineering and surveying disciplines, especially in remote locations. Typically, a theodolite has a small telescope that is attached to a device that measures angle and has a variety of moving parts. Because theodolites tend to be quite heavy, they are usually fixed on a base that is rotated on a tripod. There are several types of theodolites, but most common can be categorized in 3 types, which is a total station, and the one that we have are the LISA Digital Electronic and the South ET02 theodolite. So, things we looking for in a theodolite. Theodolite is a device that looks like a telescope which works by twisting around in a horizontal and vertical direction to measure horizontal and vertical angles. The surveyor will lock in the object to be measured by looking through the theodolite, after which this surveying instrument will take the measurement of the object's horizontal and vertical axis. It can also measure the distance between a level and elevated field through a triangular process. More modern types of theodolites can be relied on to produce more accurate measurements, for they come with laser and electronic encoder and infrared technology. There are thousands of theodolites to choose from, so on the following pages I'll be comparing 3 theodolites below to see which one is the best one to purchase. We will see in the 4 categories which one reigns supreme. These categories are weight, magnification, length of battery, and the total price. So our first theodolite is the LISA Digital Electronic Theodolite, LDT05 it is usually called. So the basic information. The LISA LDT05 Digital Electronic Theodolite is an economical but advanced instrument for measuring angles and slope. The 5-second accuracy for precise measurements, a laser for fast and easy setup, a rectile illuminator for bright views, and other attractive highlights included in this theodolite. But the main things we are looking for is what is the magnification. The magnification is 30 times. It just means when you look through it, how many times can you magnify it? So you can do it 30 times. The battery life is approximately 36 hours. The weight is 10.14 pounds, so it's quite heavy. And the starting price for this is $1,495. So that is one of the theodolites. The next one is called the Northwest Instrument 2 Reflectorless Total Station, which commonly known as N2S02B theodolite. The total station N2S02B is capable of precisely measuring angles in horizontal and vertical planes. It integrates the same advanced glass encoder from any total stations. It offers 4 seconds angular accuracy, which means that you'd have to look through it for 4 seconds to get the best amount of accuracy in the angles. Dual backlit LCD screens for easy readouts, and a full array of parameters and settings for versatile usage. So the magnification for this one is 30 times 20 degrees field of view, meaning you can see, when you look through it, you can see 20 degrees of the angle, which is a lot for a theodolite. Battery life lasts up to 46 hours. And the weight for this is 11.6 pounds. And the starting price for this is $3,500. And the next one is South ET02 electric theodolite. This South ET02 electric theodolite has 2-second angle accuracy, accurate enough for any construction job. The vertical axis compensation allows the tilt sensor to provide the highest level of accuracy and can be turned on and off depending on job requirement. Dual LCD displays large characters which are easy to see, eliminates error, and reduces eye fatigue. So the magnification for this one is 30 times and 20 degrees field of view as the other total station theodolite, but this one's battery life lasts up to 30 hours, so significantly low compared to the other ones. Weight is quite heavy, it's about 19 pounds, and the price is $845. So that are the theodolites. For comparison, we're comparing the 3 comparisons, which is magnification, battery, and weight. Now, right now, the Northwest total station takes most of these, as the price is not here because the number we will talk about after this, but right now the only 3 categories we are looking for is magnification, battery, and weight, and in 3 of these the Northwest total station takes the cake for this one. The verdict, which one is the winner? Northwest Instrument 2 reflectorless total station N20S02B is the winner because the total station enjoys good reputation and high market share due to its excellent performance in various configurations. It has a high density and large screen display, and the display of function key and navigation key allows for conventional operation. In addition, the key can also be freely defined to meet people's different measurement needs. The N2S02B is widely used in engineering survey, teaching, and training, precision industrial installation, construction, and many other areas. A total station is considered to be superior surveying tool compared to the theodolite due to its digital integration and all-inclusive features. A total station incorporates the function of theodolite to determine angles and distance by an electronic distance meter. Total station employ a combination of lasers and prisms to record digital readings of the measurements in a computer. This data can be used further analysis. Robotic total stations have been developed that can be operated remotely. However, the total stations are expensive and not only need survey expertise but also detailed training on software. Total stations are suitable for survey requirements over large distances, particularly over difficult terrain. The results of a total station on such environment are more accurate than any other theodolite. Also, the total station is made with the very best material. That is the reason for the price to be so high. So basically, it's the best theodolite right now is the total station because it has the best performance quality of all of them. So the one you should go with is the total station. Alright, that is my presentation for today. I hope you guys understood and learned. So that is it for today. Thank you. My name is Umar Shokat.